Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Afzal, roll number 21 TE53. Today we will observe lab 2, that is basic plotting of signals. The objective of this lab is to represent signals. As you can see, task 1 is how can we entering the starting point and the limits. In this task you can see the in the input image, firstly if we can observe effects of changing the value of n0, secondly effect of changing the values of n1 and n2, thirdly the dependency of values of x, and you can see the result in the output image. Now task 2 is how can we script the simulates sigma into n minus 1. In this task, firstly we can observe in the input image, you can see the observance of changing the delay period and changing the starting and end points, and the result you can see in the output image. Now task 3, how can we script to simulate the exponential signal x of n is equal to a into alpha per n. In this task we can observe the changing effects of the values of alpha and n, and the changing effects of the values of the amplitude, frequency and phase. And here you can see the output result of this task. Now moving forward, task 4. Task 4 is how write a function to simulate unit impulse sequence. As you can see in the input image, you can see the output of this unit impulse sequence. Now task 5. Task 5 is write a function to simulate unit step sequence. In this task, you can see the input image of this task. Here we firstly we have a function unit step having length, position, step sequence, and then you can using plot command to plot the signals, and you can see the result in the output image. Now task 6. Task 6 now moving toward task 6. Find x of n is equal to u of n minus 3 sigma into n minus 1 minus, and we have ranges of n is greater than or equal to minus 3 and smaller than or equal to 3. Secondly, x of n is equal to 3 u of n minus 3 plus sigma into n minus 2 plus u of n minus n, and we have ranges n is greater than or equal to minus 3 or smaller than or equal to 3. We can use functions of task 4 and task 5. As you can see in the input image, the code and the output result in the output image. Here we have firstly sequence of x1 and secondly sequence of x2. Moving forward towards task 7, you can see write a program that can able to flip the given signal. In the input image, you can see the MATLAB code, and in the output image you can see the original signal and the flipped signal. Now task 8, write a program that can able to perform index scaling the given signal. As you can see the input image, we have MATLAB code and the output of this task. Firstly we have original signal and secondly we have scaled signal. Now task 9, write a program that can be able to shift the given signal. As you can see the input image, you have MATLAB code, and in the output image you can see the original signal and the shifted signal of this task. Moving forward, task 10, write a program to simulated zero order hold. As you can see the input image, you have the code of to simulate zero order hold, and you can see the result in output image. Firstly you have original signal and secondly you have zero ordered hold. Now task 11, write a program to simulate first order hold. As you can see in the input image, how to simulate first order hold, and the result in the output image. Firstly, we have original signal. Secondly, we have first order hold simulation. That's all about this lab. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.